Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Kenmore 600 series friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum with Pet PowerMate in a striking purple finish. This versatile vacuum is designed with a multi-purpose swivel head that effortlessly cleans every corner of your home, from carpets and hard floors to baseboards and furniture. Equipped with a powerful 2-motor system, it boasts exceptional suction strength and includes 2 floor nozzles with the exclusive Pop & Go floor brush, along with 3 additional attachments: a crevice tool, dirt brush, and bare floor tool. The Triple HEPA Filter System captures 99.97% of dirt, ensuring that dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum, making it perfect for pet owners with its motorized Pet PowerMate attachment that lifts stubborn pet hair and dirt without tangling. The aluminum telescoping wand extends to a remarkable 10 feet, allowing you to reach those difficult areas with ease, while the lightweight design at just 22.6 pounds and a 28-foot retractable cord make maneuverability a breeze. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, the Kenmore 600 series is your go-to solution for a cleaner, healthier home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.